Are you there? Your voice is not
Yes,
audible
sir,
to me.
I'm there.
Are you speaking something?
Sir, I'm here.
Oh, I mean this one. Now speak something, Rima.
Sir, I'm here.
Okay. So let's start. In the previous class, we were discussing about the linear equation. Okay. And you were facing problem in the linear equation. So let me simplify that linear equation is one which is going to have maximum degree 1. Means if you have written like this, 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. So if this is x, this is y. So they are the two variables, means two x, y, a, b, c, d means are present. Two alphabets are present like we have these letters. Okay, x and y. So this is considered a linear equations in two variables. In two variables. Two
Okay.
variables. And if the maximum degree is 1, so it is considered to be a linear. Linear means maximum degree 1. Maximum degree 1. Okay. So I'm having it 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? So how can you find out the value of this one? Let me explain you. For example, you are having this is 2x is equals to 4 minus 3y. This y will goes to this one. Let me ask that calculate at least 3 solution for this linear equation. 3 solution. So you need to put the value of x and y. Okay. For example, 4 minus 3y upon 2. Why? Why? You are just eliminating this 3 to this side. So that you can get the value of x. Okay. Or let me explain you one more time this one. For example, if you are having an equation, let me give you some different equation. X plus 3y is equals to 4. Okay. Then in order to calculate the value of x and y, you need to put the value. Let you need to eliminate one variables. So you just bring this one to that side. It will give you 4 minus 3y. Got it? You understood?
Yeah.
4 minus 3y is equals to x. Now put the value of y of your choice. For example, if you put the value of y as 1. Now putting the value of y as 1, 3, 4 minus 3 into 1. Then whatever the value comes, you will multiply this one, you will get 4 minus 3. 3 1 3 is equals to x, then x is equals to 1. So when you put the value of y1, you get the value of 1, x as also as 1. Now, if you put the value of x, y as 2, calculate the value of x in this equation. Calculate, put the value of y as 2 in this equation. Put the value, Rima. Done. It's very simple. X is equals to, are you getting my voice? Are you speaking something, Rima?
Sir, the
Hello?
answer is 0.
The answer is not 0. If you put the value as 2, you will get 4 minus 3 into 2, y as 2. So you will get 4 minus 3 to the 6. Then x is equals to, what you will get? The value of x.
2.
What? Minus 2.
Okay.
Minus 2. Because 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Not 6 minus 4 is 2. And 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Got it?
Yeah.
Now tell me the value of, if you put the value of y as minus 1, calculate the value. Done this one? Hello, Alvina, are you there? Alvina, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good
Sorry, sir, for
afternoon.
joining late.
Let it.
So hard.
So I'm asking that is polynomial is coming in your examination? Polynomial chapter
Yes, sir. Polynomial is coming.
is coming now. Okay. So done, Rima.
No, sir.
Simple. Let me explain you one more time. That is, the equation is x is equals to 4 minus 3y. Now you need to put the value of y as minus 1. Putting the value of as minus 1, 3 into minus 1. What you will get? Minus 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1, what you will get? Tell me.
3.
3. Plus
Minus
3 or minus 3? Plus 3.
minus.
Plus 3. Minus minus will get plus.
Sir, how did 4 came there?
How do you?
4. 4 was not in the question or anywhere.
Here. It is 4. This equation was given to you. Okay. So let's do this one.
I didn't get it. How?
Because it was given in the question. Let you have x plus 3y is equals to 4. So I asked you to calculate the value of x. If the y has a value of minus 1. So if y is minus 1, then you need to calculate the value of x. So x is equals to, this 3 will goes to this side, will be 4 minus 3y. Now y minus, because this 3y is in positive sign, when it goes to there, that will become minus. Okay, now this is minus 3, and now you need to put the value of y as minus 1, because I have told you to put that value. Now minus 3 when multiplied with minus 1, you will get plus of 3. So 4 minus minus 1, get plus of 3, you will get x is equals to 7. Got it?
Yeah.
Copy this one.
Okay.
Let us study polynomial today, okay? The
Okay.
important topic of the polynomial.
Sir, I didn't copy it.
Then copy it.
Yeah.
Copy it now.
Yeah, done, sir.
Wait a minute. let's talk about the polynomial. We are not going to define that what polynomial is and how it is. Just we are just going to do the question by simple using the topic. Okay, got it, everybody?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
We are not just going to define what's polynomial is and what's not. We are not going to waste the time on this one because this is not being asked in the examination. Okay, the definition of polynomials. Okay. So
Okay.
what type of question is going to come in examination? Let me explain you. Here the first type of question that is from exercise 2.1. Find the value of the polynomial if this polynomial is given to you. If an x is equals to 0, x is equals to -1, and x is equals to 2. So, okay, I'm solving you one for you. Then the rest of the you have to solve by your own. Okay, so you can tell me that which one do you like? Should I solve it for you? As x is equals to 0, x is equals to -1, or x is equals to 2? Should I solve as x is equals to -1 for you? Okay, this is the polynomial. You need to find out the value of the polynomial when x is equals to -1. So this polynomial is given to you. Okay, this is px. Px means polynomial. Okay, now putting the value of x as -1, you will get 5 into -1 and 4 into -1 square plus 3. Okay, in place of x, just we put the value of -1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got. Now, what you will get, Rima, if you multiply 5 with -1? Tell me what you will get.
5 minus 5.
Yes, you will get -5. And what is the square of -1? The square of -1?
+1.
Yes, because -1 into -1 will gives you +1. And this +1, when multiplied with when, because you open the bracket, you will get +1. +1 when multiplied with -4, what you will get?
+4.
No, this is minus and this is plus. Plus into minus, you will
No.
get minus. So
Yeah.
you will get minus of 4 and then plus of 3. This is plus of 3. So minus will be added. What you will get? -5 and -4. -3 and -4 are added.
-9 plus 3.
You will get, yes, -9. Now this time don't think that, Rima, that if you add -5 and -4 you will get plus of 9. No, here in minus, this sign will remain same. Minus will minus, but in multiplication, if it is like so, minus multiplied by -4, you will get plus of 20. Got it? So when minus multiplied with minus, it will give plus, but when minus is added to minus, it will gives you minus only. Okay,
Okay.
so minus of 9 plus of 3, you will get minus of 6. Got it? Now do this by using this value.
Okay, sir.
Do it.
Sir, the answer will be -3.
-3. When you put this x equals to 0.
Oh, no, the third one.
When you put the value of x is equals to 2, you get -3.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check. What you get? Albina, what you get?
Sir, for P is For the first one, I got 3 as the final.
Hmm?
Positive 3. Positive 3, sir, for the first one.
Positive 3 for the first one. Okay. Positive 3 for the first one. Okay, now for the second one. Now, Rima, calculate the value for this if when you put the value of x is equals to 2.
So that one only I got -3 the answer.
When you put x is equals to 0,
No. X
to
is equal to 2.
use this one, na? You do this one also.
Okay.
Sir, for x is equals to, I got -3 as the answer.
Yes, it is correct. Rima, now you get the value with 0. You'll get plus of 3 only. And your answer is correct, Rima, for this one, that is -3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And when you put the value of 0, so this term and this term will become 0. So only 3 will be the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Now moving to the next part here. Similar is this question that verify whether these are the zeros of the polynomial. For example, if you put the value, let me explain you here. Zeros of the polynomial means that if you put the value of this given term, the whole term will become 0. For example, if I'm going to check whether x is equals to -3 is the zeros of this polynomial. So if I put in place of x, as px is given to you 3x plus 1. Now it is given that x is equals to -3. Check whether x is equals to -3 is the value of this one or not. So if I put the value as x is equals to -3, and if I get the answer as 0, then it is the zeros of the polynomial. Okay.
Okay.
So if I put it -1/3 as x, 3 into -1/3 plus 1. So when you multiply with this 3 will get cancelled out. This -1, you will get -1 plus 1, you will get -1 plus 1, 0. So if you get the 0, then it is the zeros of the polynomial. So you can say, yes, my x is equals to -1/3 is the zeros. Yes, x is equals to -1/3 is 0 of px. Px means this polynomial. Okay. So now check this one, whether this one is the polynomial for this one.
Sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand? You just put the value of x as -1/3. If you get the answer as -1, sorry, 0, then it is the zeros of the polynomial. For example, let me explain you here. For example, let me explain you with another example. For example, if I'm having an equation 2x square plus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay.
Okay.
No, not 0. Okay, if just start putting, this is a polynomial. If I'm saying that, check whether x is equals to -2 is the zeros of this polynomial. So if I put the value of -2 in this equation, means this is a px is given to you. Now you put the value of x as s2 -2, and if you get the answer as 0, by putting this -2. Then it is then x minus x is equals to -2 will be the zeros of the polynomial. If you did not get the 0, means it is not the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So let me check. This is 3 -2, then 5. What you will get here? 2 into -2 into -2, you will get +4. You will get plus of 4. So you will get plus of 4. Plus 3 into -2, you will get -6. -6 plus 5. I will get 8 minus 6 plus 5. This plus will add at XR. You will get 13. Minus 6, you will get 7. So you are not getting 0 here. So we will say that no, x is equals to -2 is not the zeros of the given polynomial. Got it? Got it?
Okay, sir.
Rima, you understood?
Not so. No, I didn't understand.
Okay, I'm giving you one more time. That is, you both check whether if I'm saying that 2x plus 5, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equals to, sorry, only not equal to it. Okay. Now check whether now put the value of x as -1/2 in this equation.
Okay.
Now put the value of any x as -5 in this equation.
Okay.
Put the value of x as -5 and check what answer you will get.
When my best
Sir, 22 is the answer.
22 plus 22 or -22?
Plus 22.
And what you get, Rima?
So I'm doing it.
Do it fast. Okay, till then you do this one. And then Rima is doing. Check whether in this equation put the value of x as -1/2 and this one.
Okay, sir.
Check whether these are the polynomials of this. These are the factor of this polynomial. Zero to the polynomial.
So answer is 12.
Answer is 12. Have you noted this question, Alvina? Alvina.
Yes, sir, note it down. I wrote
So
it.
let's check. P is equals to minus of 5. Then you write P minus 5 square. Then 5 into -5. Then -3. You'll get 2 into -5 into -5. What you will get, Rima? Square of minus 5 is 25 plus of 25.
Yes. Yeah.
Then you will get what? 5 into minus 5, you will get minus of 25. And then minus 3. Then you will get 5 to the 50. Then plus minus minus. And then minus 3. Then you will get this. When you add this, you will get minus of 28. And then when it is subtracted 50 minus of 28, what you will get? 22. So where you have committed the mistake? So in this case, you are not getting the answer as 0. And if you are not getting the answer as 0, so we can say that x is equals to minus 5 is not the factor of this one. Okay.
Okay.
Or we can say it is not the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros. Okay. It is not the zeros, because if you put the value of x is equals to minus 5, and if you get the answer as 0, instead that like you get 22, instead of this 22, you get answer as zeros, then it will be considered as zeros of the polynomial. Okay.
Okay.
Now do this one. Check whether this is the polynomial. This is a factor of this polynomial.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, what's the answer?
Both of them, 1 and 2, are the zeros of the polynomial.
Both are the zeros. Yes, you can say that p is equals to x is equals to x plus 1 bracket x minus 2, and x is equals to 1 and minus 1 and 2. So Rima, when you put the value of x as minus 1, first of all you put the value of x as minus 1. So when you put the value of x as minus 1, then plus 1, and then x, okay, then minus 1, then minus 2. So this will become 0. This bracket will gives you 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 multiplied with anything in the bracket, it will give you 0. Okay, so this will be minus 3 here. Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, in this case, this bracket will become 0. So this 0 when multiplied with this bracket will give you 0. Okay, because you put the value as plus 2 as x minus 2. This will cancel out here. This bracket will give you 0. Okay, now understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now do 6 one. You have to put the value of x as L minus m by L. Polynomial is given to you, that is Lx plus m. Put the value of x as minus m by L.
Sir, can I explain this question?
Yes, I can explain. So in this question, if you have this one, now you can put the value of px, x is equals to minus m by L. is equals to x into L into, this is x, so put in place of x, put minus m by L, and then plus m. This LL will get cancelled out. You will get minus m plus m, and this mm will also cancel out. You will get 0. So you can say yes, it is a factor. Okay,
Oh, yes.
done, Rima? Rima, done?
So actually, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand.
Yeah.
Again, let me explain you. This is P, and in place of x, just put the given value, that is minus m by L. So you put the value m by L is equals to, now L is L, you put L. In place of x, x is being multiplied with L, just put the L multiply sign. If there is no sign between L, X, then it means they are multiplying. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is
Okay.
L, then multiply sign, then X, then X. What is the value of X? Minus M by L. Then plus this plus sign and this M here. Okay.
Okay.
Now this M and this M will get cancelled out, because like you have 2 into 1 by 2, what you will get? 2 get cancelled out. You will get here numerator. So similarly, when LL is there, their multiplication, they will cancel out, and you will get minus of M, this M, and then plus of M, this M. This minus M plus M, this minus 2 plus 2, what you get? 0. Similarly, minus M plus M, you will get 0.
Okay.
Okay, now you understood?
Yeah.
Okay,
Sir, let me write it down.
okay, note it down fast.
Sir, I'm done.
Done? Okay.
Yeah.
Now do this one. Do these two. Done?
No, sir.
Alvina, are you doing? Put X as minus 1 by 3.
First one I didn't understand. Second one I solved it.
This you are doing.
I finished that one. I didn't understand
Okay,
the first one.
let me explain you. So put the value of X as minus 1 by 3.
Yes.
Then what you will get? If you have minus 1 by 3 whole square So what does it mean? It means minus 1 by root 3, sorry, minus 1 by root 3 into minus 1 by root 3.
Yeah.
This minus minus when multiplied, you will get plus. When 1 and 1 multiplied, you will get 1 into 1, 1. And this root 3 into root 3 multiplied, what you will get? Root 3 into root 3. You will get 3. Okay, just like root 5 into root 5, when multiplied together, they will get 5. Okay, the root will cancel out. Got it?
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
have root 6 into root 6, so what does it mean? It means 6. Okay, so it's root 3 into root 3, you will get 3. Okay, so here by putting this value, putting this by this value, you will get 1 by 3. Means yeah, the value of this one is 1 by 3. Now you can put it 3 into when you open this one, you solved here, you get plus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3. Okay, and then minus 1. Then the 3 will get cancelled out. You will get 1 minus 1. You will get 0. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Now solve it again. Solve one more time.
Okay.
So I'm done writing it.
You have done.
Yep.
Check whether 2
Sir,
upon 3 is the 2 upon
Got
root
it.
3 is the fact. Okay, now check this one. Check this one. 2 upon root 3 is a factor of this one or not?
Sir, I got the answer.
Okay, what's the answer?
2 by root 3 is not the 0 because the answer is 3. Final answer.
Because the final answer is 3, that's why it is not the 0. Okay. Let you put the value p is equals to, again, Rima, look at this. 2
okay.
root 3. We are just putting 2 root 3. Okay. 2 by root 3. Then what we'll do? We'll do this one as 3 into 2 root 3. Okay, then minus 1. Okay, you will write here 3 into 2 upon now the square of this one. Now what you will get the square of 2 root 3? 2 by root 3. The square of 2 by root 3. What is the answer? Tell me, Rima. If you do the square of 2 by root 3, then what will be your answer? Be confident. Be
Four,
confident,
four,
Rima. 4,
4 root 3.
4 by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is will also multiply 2 times. So what you get when you root 3 is multiplied by root 3? Be confident. Tell me the answer. I've told you
Root
that
3.
root 3 only 3.
Uh,
When root 3 multiplied with 3, you will get 3. Okay.
okay.
Now this is 4 by 3. Now you put the value here as when you open the square of this one, you will get 4 upon, means the value of this portion only is 4 by 3, then minus 1. So this will get cancelled out. You will get 4 minus 1, you will get 3 answer. Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now moving to the next portion. Okay. Now in this case, similarly, the find the zeros of the polynomial for this type of equation is given to you. If someone asks you that find the zeros of the polynomial, so what you need to do is you need to calculate the value of x only. And how can you calculate the zeros of this polynomial? For example, if this equation is given to you and you need to calculate the value, whether this is the zeros of the polynomial, so you need to just put the value that px is equals to 3 by minus 2. Now you need to calculate the zeros of the polynomial. So what you will do, 3x is minus 2 is equals to 0. Consider that when you put the some value of x, you will get the answer as 0. Now bring this 2 to that side because it is minus, so it will become plus 3x. Then x is equals to this 3 is multiplying with x, so it will goes in division. So x is equals to 2 by 2 upon root 3. So for this equation, the zeros of the polynomial is x is equals to 2 by root 3. Okay. So when you put the value of x as 2 by root 3, sorry, 2 by 3, then you will get the answer as 0. You can check it. You can check it, verify it. If you put the value of x as 2 by 3, so 3 into 2 by 3 minus 2, 3 will get cancelled out. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So this is how we can calculate. We just need to equate the equation with 0 and you can find out the value of x. Okay. Similarly, for this equation, 3x, you need to equate this equation with 0. This is multiplying with this one, with 3, means x is being multiplied with 3. So here 0 upon 3 is equals to x. Then if the numerator is 0, then it will be 0. All the answer will be 0. Got it?
Okay, sir.
And similarly for this equation, that is px is equals to cx plus d. So again, you have to equate this cx plus d equal to 0. And d is being plus here with x, so it will goes to that side, it will become minus of d. This is cx. Now c is being multiplied with x, so it will goes into division, minus d by c. So this is the value of x, minus d by c. Do all these questions, copy it.
Okay, sir.
When you're done, please let me know. Okay.
So we have to do the fifth question.
No, fifth, we have done this one here. Have to copy all these three. Fifth has
Okay.
done here. This fifth has done here.
Done, sir.
Done? Rima, done? Now the another type of questions comes in the examination is the factor theorem. Okay. Means the questions come that check whether this is a factor of this polynomial or not. Okay. For example, this question is okay. Let's do this question. Okay, for example, it is given check whether the determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. So if x plus 1 is factor of px of this polynomial, it may be of this one, this one, this one, or this one, any. Okay, so what would happen? What would happen? So when you put the value of x plus 1 is a factor, now equate this factor that is given to you with the 0. Then calculate the value of x. You will get the value of x as -1 for this. Okay. Now put the value of x as -1 in this equation. If you get as 0, then it is a factor of this polynomial. Otherwise, it is not the factor. Means now put the value of x is equals to -1 in this equation, that is x minus 3 plus x square, then x plus 1. Where I get this x is equal to -1, and why I need to put this one? Because I need to check whether x plus 1 is a factor. For example, if I need to check x, let's check whether x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Then I will equate this one as 0, and this will get x is equals to -1. Then I will put the x is equals to -2 in this equation. For example, in this, if it is not given, if it is asked like check x 2x plus 3 is a factor, then again I will equate this 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Then this 3 will goes to that side. This will become -3 is equals to 2x. Then this x will become -3 upon this 2 will comes down. Then now I will put x is equals to -3 by 2 in this equation. If it will give you 0, then I will say that 2x plus 3 is a factor. So this is the rule how we calculate. I will check whether it is a factor of this one. Okay. Got it?
Okay,
You
sir.
understood? Rima, you understood?
No, sir. I
No,
understand.
you didn't understand. Okay. Now this is x plus 1 is a factor. You need to check. Now equate this one with 0. Means x plus 1 is equals to 0. What you will get the value of x? If you put this x plus 1 is equals to 0, what will be the value of x? This one will goes to that side. Simple. And you will get x is equals to -1. Done, Rima?
Yes,
Then,
sir.
then put this x is equals to -1 in this equation.
Okay.
And check whether you are getting as 0 or not. If you get the answer as 0, then it is a factor, otherwise it is not.
Like, how should I calculate? I should add
Okay.
everything.
No. You have to open that. If you are having an odd number like -3 into -3 into -1 into -1 3 times, what you will get the answer? Minus 1 into 1 into 1 3 times you will get 1. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
minus plus, and then plus into minus you will get again minus. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the power is an odd number of a minus number, for example, -5 raised to the power -51, sorry, -5 raised to the power, that -1 raised to the power 51, suppose. So whatever you get the answer, when you multiply 1 into 1 into 1 unlimited times, you will get 1. But if the
Okay.
power is odd, number, then you will get minus. Instead of this one, -51, if you get minus, like you have 20. Plus, this is odd number. This is an even number. So you will get 1. And now if the power is even, so you will get 1 as positive 1. So if a minus number has a power odd, then you will get the minus sign. And if a minus number has a even power, then you will get plus sign. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
you will get here you will get -1 here because the power is odd. But
Yeah.
you will get here plus. Why? Because the power is even. Okay, +1, because -1 into -1 2 times you will get minus +1, and
Okay.
then -1, then +1. So this -1 +1 get cancelled. This one also get cancelled. You will get 0. So we'll say here for this equation, x plus 1 is a factor. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
check for this one.
Sir, it's not 0.
0.
No, it's
Huh?
not. No.
Yes, Alvina, do you get 0 for this one?
No, sir, it's not 0. The answer is 1.
Let's check. Let's check here. Now put the value of x as -1 because the same factor is going to give you. Okay, so
Yeah.
this will gives you x raised to the power -1 raised to the power 4, then -1 raised to the power 3, then plus, then -1 square, then +1. So when power is even, then you will get +1. Why +1? Because 1 multiplied 100 times. Infinite times you are multiplying 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Always you will get 1. So it does not matter that you will get the answer as 1 because the power of 1 is 1. But if you need to check whether it will be -1 or +1. So if it is power is even, then you will get +1. If the power is odd, then you will get -1, like here. Okay.
Okay.
Then plus, then -1, then plus, and then here again you will get +1 because power is even, then 1. So this +1 -1 will get cancelled out. Here you will get answer as 2, positive 2. Okay,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
got it?
Yeah.
Check this one. Check the fourth one. Check the fourth one.
So that's also is not equal.
No, that is not giving you the 0.
Yeah.
Okay, what you are getting the answer? Alvina, what you get the answer?
Sir, I'm still doing.
Still doing. Okay.
So 2 root 2.
Okay, let me check, Rima. Okay, what you get the answer here? -1. Again, because the power is odd. Then minus sign is off here. Then you will get plus of 1. Here then minus. And then when this minus will multiply with this one, because this is multiplication. So what you will get? Because I'm just putting this one, I'm just solving this part only. Okay, so this will get -2 here. And this one multiplied with 1, you will get minus of root 2. Then bracket close and plus of root 2. Then this minus 1, and this will minus plus, means this will give you -1. And this minus sign when multiplied with this one, you will get minus plus 2. When this minus multiply with this one, you will get minus plus 2 plus root 2, and then plus root 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, because this is -2 plus 2 will get, and root 2 and root 2 will get 2 root 2.
Yes.
So this is not a factor. You understood, Alvina?
No, sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand? Okay, let me explain you one more time. I'm just putting this, solving this question like this. Instead of x, I'm just multiplying this one, because if you are having like something written with multiplied with x, right, you can write like this way, or something you can write it like this way, because multiply with this bracket, like you have 2 into 3 is also equals to 3 into